everyone, welcome back to Playtime with Mikey. Today we have a water box. This month's theme is arcade. So let's open this thing up. I have the knife this time, better than Ma, so I'm just gonna cut this thing. Let's see. Whoa! Okay. What?
Oh, Pac-Man.
What? Wait, Mom,
Oh, that is so cool.
Mom, at the end of the video, can we see what that's for? Okay. Give me it back, please. I don't know what this is for.
All right,
but
next.
we'll see at the end of the video. And then a
T-shirt. Let's see what it says on
We
it.
keep getting shirt. Wait, I don't want any shirts anymore. Wait,
Fight Revolution. 1-Up box.
Okay. You want to see something that's really gamey? This. It's like a poster that looks pretty gamey, right?
That is so cute.
Yeah.
KO Arcade 1-Up box.
Yeah. I still don't know what the pack
And then it shows everything that is inside the box.
I don't know what the pack thing is for. Okay.
Next.
Let's just get this guy.
Oh, check this out. Who's this?
Whoa, Mom, I have some
Bubble-
crust on this.
Bubble Buds.
But
Round 2, it says.
are you joking?
Oh, this is cool. I like this box. Go ahead. Continue. And then this is a little keychain. It's a zipper pull. This is to put on. You can put this on your coat to pull up your zipper.
This really
Spider-Man.
This really looks like a little game inside it. Can you see the?
Yes, it's a game. It's a Pac-Man game.
Is it like?
It's Pac-Man.
Actually, no, not that one yet. This.
Oh, cool. For your keys.
You want to put your keys on there?
Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah. Okay. You know?
Insert coin, it says.
Oh.
Game over. And press start. I am loving this box. What else?
So I almost forgot about
The
this.
button. It always comes with a button.
Oh, Mom.
1-Up
we have
box.
one
June 2015 arcade.
more thing that you're probably gonna
One more
like.
thing. It's a sticker, maybe. Oh no, this is like a. It's probably you can put something. You can put it on your clothing. It says
Yeah.
arcade on it.
Okay. Now let's see what this little Pac-Man thing is for.
Let me see.
Open the Pac-Man.
So guys, this month is our is arcade. Go over this.
Yeah,
If you want to receive a 1-Up box, such as this one, you get it monthly for a small fee. I will link the website below, so you can check it out for yourself. And it's totally worth it. It's like less than $20 a month.
candy.
Is candy in there? Cool.
Yeah, I got some nice candy around up in here. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. I hope you like it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. See you soon.